I look at my day with a distance, and next day I want to be better than what I was yesterday. So that has really, I can see it's like I'm digging so many things within, and that has been a very different and very exciting journey for me. Thank you. And this program has made that happen for me in my life and my family. Thank you.
This is amazing, Neela. Thank you so much for sharing and taking this training to your life. It's like there's one thing of, reading the book, and another thing is when you use it in your life. Yeah. I mean, awesome. Really, really wonderful. Thank you. So let's quickly go to the next segment. Okay. Anybody else who would like to share? How is this possibility and outcome showing up in your life? How is it that being a participant or a leader, you are reaping the benefits? Yes, Gitanjali. You're on mute, Gitanjali. Yeah.
It's like I was just sharing, it's almost like a miracle right now. Lot of what my biggest goal is, like how people are plugging into my life. It's like where I was a smaller pond, and suddenly I'm getting a view of an ocean, because I've been visualizing that things are global, and from India I'm looking at the world, and suddenly from where I am I'm looking at another world in different dimensions, so of my same business, and people plugging in every day. Like today somebody plugged in, like 30 days back somebody plugged in, and I'm seeing things moving there. I'm seeing step by step, I'm building brick by brick. So that is happening because of the whole program, 365 degrees, all my super leaders, all my leaders. The space is speaking so powerful. Thank you everyone for contributing, really.
Excellent. So we also there is somebody whom we listen to every day in the morning. So today you are getting an opportunity to listen to him in the evening also. Yes, Vikas, what do you want to share?
Yeah, thank you, Darshana, for giving me this opportunity to talk to you, all of you now. And I'm very happy, very blessed to be associated with all of you, everyone, super leaders, and also participants. And it is, I am lost now. I don't have words to express my gratitude that how everything has changed my life. Because sometimes you need love and blessings of people. You have everything. You are hardworking, you're intelligent, but something which you need more to succeed, to get success in your life. And in last few days, I have seen a lot of changes in my life, in every area of my life: prosperity, love, blessings, miracles happening in my life. And Darshana is the one who made it possible for me. She was the one who believed in me, and she chose me as a leader, super leader. So I'm very happy for being part of this session. She has given me responsibility for conducting meditation and visualization session, and I'm very happy for this. And by the grace of God, I'm able to conduct this session and able to make positive changes in so many lives. And people call me, they appreciate me, and they are giving me their love and blessing, which is more precious for me than anything else. So thank you so much. You all have transformed my life. Thank you.
So I got your acknowledgement, Vikas, and on the behalf of each one of them, I know they all got your acknowledgement. And let me tell you, there is no Darshana here. It's about just the training that I'm using. And yes, you are getting it because you accepted that responsibility of taking up leadership. Okay. And we know Vikas has been undergoing a lot of things at his family and work, and he's really causing breakthroughs in his life. So it's amazing, which is not easy for him to get up in the morning and sit and do that 15-20 minutes of whatever he's doing. Sometimes he's in middle of an important meeting, he leaves that, comes here, conducts a session. So like really amazing. And it is not only Vikas, every super leader is managing so much in their families, in their work, and they're taking out time and they're doing this. So, and definitely that is why your life is getting transformed. And all the leaders, this is not a participant's call, it's a leader's call. All of you who are giving to this group, you're giving to the community. I have just created you can say, an opportunity where you can contribute. You always wanted to contribute. Yes or no? So please type, I am a contributor. IAC is also enough if you want. I am a contributor, right? You have been a contributor. Only thing, you got a chance and you're expressing yourself. Yes, you are a contributor. You would do that even if there was no plan to win. Now, only plan to win is giving you a platform, right? And I'm sure that you are going to do this similar things in various areas of life. So guys, for me also, I would want to share today, I have also caused a breakthrough. Like, I have been working on this platform of digital coaching from about more than 18 months. And it is since March when I started, March end, we started this whole thing, right? First version, second version, third version, starting from 1st June. 1st May, I had full-fledged batch all India level. 1st June, I have had 15th June, I launched a batch in America. So a full-fledged batch in America for my work. It happens, it's like accelerated. Like, what is 18 months? Kuch bhi nahi ho raha tha. Kahan tha ye sara? It's like, and I know that it is just started. Very little, but 18 months का काम जो है इस plan to win के वजह से accelerate हो रहा है, visualization के वजह से हो रहा है, and everybody is listening to each one of you, us, me, in a manner कि उसके वजह से हम express कर रहे हैं अपने आप को, okay? And talking to all the leaders, it's like, I am going to give you a chance to talk. So I know this took a little longer time today, but I really wanted to see who all are getting benefited. Can you please share on the chat one thing that you have got has shifted, okay? Because you have been a contributor to this game. Since you have contributed, in the contribution, has anything shifted in you? Okay, whether it was relationship, career, health, okay, self-esteem. Okay, yeah, Vikas has like, I don't know if he's like, yeah, prosperity, suddenly he's like getting this area also moving. Oh, discipline and fitness for Gitanjali, absolutely. She is responsible for fitness and she's getting fitter. Sham, more responsible. Lovely. Rajesh is you've cured yourself, healed yourself, that's amazing. Farid getting up at 6 a.m. Oh yes, that's one accomplishment altogether. Listening and generosity. Wow, Neela, that's amazing. Consistency, acknowledge, self-acknowledgement. Wow, look at that. Health, discipline, and gratitude. Beautiful. Today, I really want to go to the next section because what we are going to do today is actually talking about मैं अभी जो भी बोल रही हूँ वही चीज आपको और higher level तक मुझे बताना है. Thank you, Shweta, and thank you, Arun. Learning how to hold space powerfully. Okay. Catching self-paced on completion and creation. Yes, absolutely. Completion and creation is the heart of this game. In fact, मैंने जब game बनाया था तो मैं इतना ही चाहती थी कि लोग सुबह उठ के अपना plan करें, शाम को complete करें. इसके अलावा मैंने कुछ सोचा ही नहीं था. And look at this, you leaders have taken this to another level. That is amazing. Thank you so much for who you are. So let's move to the next thing. Now, what is new in Plan to Win 4.0? Would you want to know this? Put question mark in the chat. What is new? Plan to Win 4.0 में क्या होने वाला है और क्या धमाका करने वाले हैं हम लोग? Yeah, absolutely. Excellent. What? Yes. Okay. सबसे पहले Plan to Win 4.0 में we are going to have a beta version of 4.0 Plan to Win. Anybody knows what is a beta version? मतलब कुछ भी चीज जब लॉन्च होती है तो उसका एक बीटा वर्जन होता है और फिर एक्चुअल लॉन्च होता है. So किसी को पता है? Then you can raise your hand and you can tell us what does a beta version mean. Nobody? Okay. Yes. more, not actually the trial version, but it is used by people who are close, who are, who are willing and wanting, and they want to really try this out. जैसे प्लेन बनाया है हमने, तो पहले जो है ना पूरा क्रू जिन्होंने बनाया वो जाएंगे उस पे, उसके बाद पैसेंजर्स को बिठाएंगे, ठीक है ना? तो हम जो प्लान टू विन बनाया है हमने 4.0, we would want that the leaders should get the benefit of this. So entire month dedicated only for leaders. We are going to have July month as a beta version of 4.0, 4.0 beta version, where only the leaders and leaders, if your participants are interested in taking leadership, I want you to right now type आपके क्लस्टर में, आपके अंदर के कौन से पार्टिसिपेंट्स है जो एक्टिव है. I want every leader to type this. So we are about 17 people. Yes, absolutely. Yes. So Hamza. Okay. So I want to know that who all, Jaya and Pratima. Okay. These are active. So I want you, all of you, please type every leader, आपके जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, जो आपको लगता है कि ये लीडरशिप ले सकते हैं, इनके साथ हम बीटा वर्जन के लिए ट्राई कर सकते हैं. आस्क देम. ओके. इनफैक्ट वी आर गोइंग टू the next section will tell you that we want only intentional people. Even among the leaders, if you want this to be taken in your life for like next 6 months, 3 months, you want to practice it. Like Shweta said, that creation completion is really, getting her to see and reflect, okay, which are the areas that she needs to attend, So, okay. So fine. So please see that your participants are agreeing to something. So everybody who is going to be in plan to win 4.0 beta version and further have to actually go through certain agreements. Okay. So are we ready for the agreements? Please type I am ready. I'm ready to see what agreements are you going to give us. So, excuse me, I think I'll have to just check the alignment. Okay, 1 second. So give me a second, guys. Okay. So agreement with participants. Now, each of you are firstly participant, then leaders, right? Do you agree? So I am ready. Perfect. So Vaibhav, Neela, Seema, Shrikar. Okay, these people are ready. What about others? Vikas is ready. Shalaka is ready. Gitanjali is ready. What about others? You guys are not ready? To know what are the agreements, you don't have to agree anything. You have to just see what are the agreements. I'm ready to see them. Okay, so I want somebody to create these agreements. We all are participants, everybody. Okay, so who would like to create the agreements for the participants? Yes, Seema? I thought you're raising your hand.
It's okay, but definitely the agreement with participants, I mean, which you have written over here, that's important. Plus, I would really like them to be.
So I want you to first create this, and then we will ask you to add some more. Okay?
Okay, fine. So should I read it out?
Yes, you read it out. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Participants' agreements. Agreement with participants. I hereby declare that I am willing and wanting to be part of the plan to win WhatsApp group. I'll apply myself to work on my goals and will take teaching and coaching from plan to win leaders and super leaders who will help me move forward on my goal. I agree to actively participate in creations and completion calls. I agree to communicate to my team if I did or did not do daily challenges. Yeah.
Perfect. So I hereby declare, so there are about 1, 2, 3, and 4 agreements that we are putting for the participants. Okay. Now I'm also going to make you go through the agreement for the leaders. But before that, would you want to, suggest something like Seema, you were saying that you would want something else to be added? And super leaders,
Yeah.
can you just make a note of this? Yeah.
I would really want them, I mean, when we are talking to this, clusters and all that, so they actively participate and they're willing to be, to take part in this plan to win. They're eager to do and follow each and every activity. So there should be some commitment from their side too, because everyone is just joining and, they feel like they come for creation and completion, or they're not actively participating. So their participation to be regular is a must for their growth, to accomplish their goals.
Absolutely. That's the reason we are asking them to, pick this agreement. So if you see the third one talks about, I agree to actively participate.
Yeah, that's really important. That's
If
really
the participant is not agreeing to this and they see that there is something in their life, they're not able to be, they will not be a part of this group.
Yes.
Okay. So when we do this, there are some protocols of super leaders, and super leadership body is already deciding that we will first have beta version entire July month. We will be, slowly getting people in from our life into this, actually making them read this agreement, understand completely for 28 days. If they are ready to participate, then only we will put them manually. We are not giving them any link. There is no link that will be given. Okay. They will have to fill up a form and then we will add them to the group. Okay. So it's going to be very thoughtful. We want this tribe to grow so that even I know it is disheartening for you guys when you see that people are leaving. The entire space gets polluted and, that's absolutely okay. But now that's a breakdown and then we are just taking this action. Okay. Yes. Perfect. Thank you so much, Seema. So what you are suggesting is already included. I want all the leaders and super leaders to add to this. Are there any suggestions for any more agreements that we should have with the participants? If you want to speak, just raise your hand. Digital hand, please. Yes, Arun?
I just want to add one word. Instead of daily challenges, can we change this challenges word to a daily task?
Yeah.
Challenge has a meaning actually. So task is the most appropriate word if we can change it to.
So that is already on the way. So because anything that you want the participants to agree before they get into our group. So that's what if you could suggest.
Neela has a hand raised.
Okay, I'm not able to. I'm not Neela's hand is raised for the beginning. Actually, would you like to share, Neela, right now? उनका पहले से ही वो था, hand lower नहीं किया था. Would you like to share? Anyone else? Yes. Yeah. So Shyam.
Hamza is something.
Shyam and Hamza. Yeah.
Yeah. I think we need to take a commitment from the participants, or or we need to make them more committed, and usually they give that excuse, I'm occupied and busy. We need to take a strong commitment from them, or we should make them understand the importance of this and how it can impact their life, so that they won't live in between.
Got it. So that's the reason they agree to communicate. They are Arun, you can make a note of that, super leader. So let us see. His concern is that we really have to see that they're agreeing to doing the task, right, Shyam? And really committed.
Exactly.
Like he wants this to be done really, yeah. Got it. Shyam. Who else? Hamza?
I have to say something.
Yeah, Hamza.
Yeah, can I speak?
Yes, please.
Yeah, hi, this is Sachin here. Am I audible?
Yes, Sachin. Yeah.
Yeah, what I seen when I call my trio. So what actually some trio said that actually someone else has added them in a group, and they are not aware about what is going on in the group. and they have not instructed what is this group for and what is going to be happen and what it is beneficial for them. Actually, I called them and I told them that this will be helpful for ourselves, growth of ourselves.
Hmm.
So after that, few people have joined and started doing creation and completion call. So this is happening. That's I want to just tell.
Okay, got it, Sachin. Thank you for communicating that. And we want you to, all the leaders, to communicate to your super leaders any issue that you have. You can immediately just write a message to them also, so we know. And that is why we are now doing a process by which they're not going to just click a link and come into this group. This is what is happening. Out of excitement, people will click a link, come here, and so many days they are here, but they're not taking any action. So this is going to be, the agreements will help. Yeah, anyone, Hamza, would you want to share 30 seconds because I want to go to the next segment?
Sure.
Yeah,
Sure.
please.
Thanks,
Hamza.
Varsha.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
I just had one suggestion regarding the commitment part. I read this quote somewhere that that said that people don't value things that are free. So I was thinking if we could have something like a refundable deposit for 500 or 1,000 rupees for people who participate 30 days completely will get the refund. Otherwise, it gets forfeited. Something on those lines.
Okay, got it. And we are taking a note of that. We'll consider your suggestion. Okay, we will decide on that. Okay, thank you so much, Hamza. I completely get your commitment, why you want them to do this so that they can participate. We got it. So thank you, Hamza, for sharing. I would want to go now to the agreements with the leaders. Okay, so excuse me, sorry, I don't know how this thing. Okay, so who would like to create that quickly? So I think please raise your hands if you want to create this. किसी का okay, Shweta Agarwal, yes, please.
So, agreement with leaders. I hereby declare that I am willing and wanting to be the leader of Plan to Win WhatsApp group. I will demonstrate breakthroughs while working on my. I think you will have to remove the subtitle.
What is it? The format. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I will demonstrate breakthroughs while working on my goals, such that my team is inspired to work on their goals. I take personal accountability and responsibility for each team member so that they are able to achieve their goals.
Yeah. I can't hear you for some reason. Are you speaking? Is Shweta speaking?
No, we can't hear.
We lost you,
Yeah, we can't
Shweta.
hear.
We lost you, Shweta. Can you continue?
Oh, so till where could you guys hear? So I take personal accountability and responsibility for each team member.
No, her voice is lost again.
Okay, fine. So who would like to go ahead quickly? Let us do this. Anyone else? Shah.
Yeah, I will go. Yeah. I take
Thank
here. I take personal accountability and responsibility for each team member so that they are able to achieve their goal. And next point is I agree to be communications with my team and super leader. I am willing to take work which is delegated to me by super leaders to move forward on my Plan to Win initiatives. And last point is I am willing to learn and get coached with Plan to Win super leaders.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you so much. So these are the agreements. So if you're a leader or any of your participant is going to be a leader, we will be, asking you to create this with them. Then you get, for the leaders, all of you have to agree to this. Then we will get into the beta version of 4.0. Okay. So these are the agreements. You have seen them. You want a copy of this, your super leaders, you can get it from your super leaders. Anything that you would want to share, add to this. Leaders, super leaders. More. So there are about 6 agreements, 6 points. Anything more that you would want to add at this point?
I think only we should be adding accountability, because the leaders are not taking accountability for anything. I mean, they're not, as far as I have seen, they have not been regular in, asking their team members whether they are getting what they have been looking for, whether they are working on their goals or not, or whether how they are moving, that sort of thing. So I think that is very important, that leaders are accountable for their team members.
And why they should do that?
Because this plan we are getting into is only because you want us to learn how to improve ourselves to get to that goal, and if that's because of that push. It's only going to happen with that push, and we know what we want, but until unless there's that push, we are very procrastinating. So when you guys are giving us that push, that what do you call that, that feeling that you can do it, we won't do it. So we are learning from you to to make ourselves very, very I'm actually lost for words, but we are learning from you a lot, and I think that matters.
Absolutely.
So for these small things, if the leaders are not listening, if the leaders are not taking into account, then I think we are losing it somewhere.
Perfect. So there is one thing to be like you आपने क्लिक किया, आप ग्रुप पे आ गए, ये एक अलग बात है. उसके बाद में ग्रुप में आने के बाद में आप थोड़े दिनों के बाद में अपने लीडरशिप भी ली है, और लीडरशिप लेने के बाद में आप इतने दिनों से इसमें हो, इट मीन्स यू हैव कम हियर फॉर समथिंग, है ना. और ये सारे जो भी अकाउंटेबिलिटीज है, उसी से आपको, दैट इज द सोर्स फ्रॉम व्हिच यू आर गोइंग टू गेट ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड. Like Arun, if you see super leaders and all the leaders who are active, okay, are getting the degree to which they are contributing and active in this group, degree to that much their life is getting transformed. So thank you, Reena, for bringing that up. So you want that the leaders should take some of the other accountability. Just, you can't lead
responsibility is a must. I mean,
yes, you cannot lead from behind.
You cannot just say that I'm your leader and I'm doing this creation call. That is it. You cannot just leave it at that, I think.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
If you have been, asked to do that, yeah.
Sorry, Reena, but who's your super leader?
No, Uma, I'm not complaining or something. I'm not saying anything about you. I'm just saying that I feel, leaders should be more, I'm actually losing out on my words. Leaders should be more active in pushing their team members.
So,
taking an interest in their goals.
Yeah, got it. So thank you so much. And I would want to go to the next segment. Yeah, Reena, we got your commitment. Accountability is what is going to drive you towards your goal. Thank you so much. Coming to the next.
Think so. Thank you.
Yeah. So now we have like 6 minutes, and now coming to the most important ingredient. Okay, the ingredient for magical connection with anyone, anytime, anywhere. Are you interested? Magical. Like you have, can you just share, or maybe दिमाग में ना एक ऐसे बंदे का नाम रखो जिसको ना आपके पूरा पावरलेस हो, उसके साथ बहुत ही हालत खराब है आपके रिलेशन. कनेक्शन ही नहीं है. कनेक्शन ही नहीं है
सीमा के साथ.
Okay, whatever. So I would want you to now not speak anything, because we are like 6 minutes. You want to complete it on time. Yeah, thank you. Now, आपके दिमाग में एक सोचिए कि कौन है जो आपको, you want to magically transform that relationship. Okay, and it can be with yourself also. Sometimes it is us. हम हमारे साथ ही connect नहीं होते. So, tell me, what is it? Like, suppose when you meet somebody, you don't know that person, but some communication happens and you suddenly start liking that person. You're like, wow, this person, like, we're clicking. क्या होता है तब? क्या ऐसे होता है आपकी बातों में कि अगर आप किसी अनजान व्यक्ति से बात कर रहे हो and suddenly, like, just by smiles or laughter से, but अनजान लोगों के साथ में, yes, we can have smiles or laughters, okay. What else? Let us say smile और laughter नहीं कुछ बोल रहे हो, कुछ ऐसा कुछ बोल रहे हो कि जिसकी वजह से आप तुरंत कनेक्ट हो जाते हो. I want leaders to really think
I
about
think
it. Please put in the chat. Please
I think the warmth.
Please put in the chat. You know, I want you to just maintain that decorum. Is it okay? Please put in the chat. I know it is difficult for typing. Energy and vibe, sharing and caring, oneness. Okay, background of relatedness. Yeah. Okay. Background of relatedness कैसे आता है? ओके ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप बैंक में गए हो, ओके, और आपको कुछ काम करवाना है और आपको ना वो जो मैनेजर वो जो है ना बहुत खड़ूस लग रहा है. कुछ मैजिक चाहिए तो क्या करेंगे? ओके, सेइंग हेलो एंड फ्रॉम हार्ट एंड बॉडी लैंग्वेज. ओके, यस, वो आपके पास. ओके, परफेक्ट. Charisma. Okay, so guys, how about, okay, I go to a bank and I want some work to be done. Okay, and I can see this guy is in really very bad mood. Okay, and I just go and how about I actually, okay, any guesses? I actually go and say, you guys are doing a great job. Really, really, really. Not because he should feel nice, but really finding out like all your people are so diligently working. I really acknowledge you, Mr. Manager, for having such a wonderful work culture. I've always been so sorted when I come here. My work gets done fast. I can go to my work faster. Yes, yes, yes. Acknowledgement, acknowledgement, acknowledgement. Acknowledgement is the source of love and affinity. So do you agree, guys? कि एक्नॉलेज करते हैं तो अनजान व्यक्ति भी जो है ना वो हमारे से कनेक्ट होने लगता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं सीमा को बोलेंगे, सीमा यार तुम्हारे गाल के डिम्पल्स कितने प्रीटी है यार. सीमा विल फॉल इन लव विद मी. आई मीन आई डोंट इवन नो सीमा. You know, yeah, आपकी आवाज बहुत ही, and it's not, again we are not manipulating. Really क्या अच्छा है वो व्यक्ति में, क्या हम इसको एक्सप्रेस करेंगे तो वो बंदे को अच्छा लगेगा? With that other person feel nice, like, yeah. Arun, you are, I mean, you know, let me acknowledge Arun. Okay, Arun, are you listening? Okay, अभी मैं आपको वो उसका ये देने वाली मंत्रा किस तरह से एक्नॉलेज करते हैं. Arun is very uncomfortable with acknowledgements, huh? बिल्कुल. Yes, Arun?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So Arun, I acknowledge you for being such a selfless teacher. You have always been unconditional for the growth of this particular group. And Arun, your Sunday trainings, we know how much you are putting your heart and soul into the Sunday trainings. Every group member is getting so benefited by your trainings, and we are able to do so many things in our life just because you are making this available. So Arun, did you get my acknowledgement on the behalf of the group?
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, look at that, Mr. Arun, you're looking very different and smart. Can you see, guys? मैंने तो पहचाना नहीं अरुण को. Acknowledgement का कमाल. Okay, so guys, एक बात होती है कि we are 10:14. Maximum 1 minute extra करूँगी. So first thing is we acknowledge people for who they are right now, and sometimes we can also acknowledge them from future. Okay, so Seema, I acknowledge you for being the best yoga pranayam teacher in this country. And I acknowledge you for taking this yoga pranayam and your laughter sessions across the world. Did you get my acknowledgement?
Yes,
Awesome,
definitely.
awesome.
I'm so happy. I made it.
So I want, now this
Thank
is
you.
what it is, guys. So do you agree acknowledgements are cool?
Yes.
Acknowledgements are so cool. And we are going a step ahead, not acknowledging only for what it is now, but you can actually acknowledge people for what you want to see them in future. Okay? Perfect, perfect, perfect. So now assignment. You have to practice acknowledgement with 5 people. Okay? तो acknowledgement का आपको मैंने statement बता दिया है. I acknowledge, I want to acknowledge, nahi, I acknowledge Geetanjali for the superpower that you are. I acknowledge Geetanjali, I acknowledge you for being so committed towards all your leaders and all your clusters. And I also acknowledge you, Geetanjali, for your willingness to be there every time I want to call. You're always ready for the call. And you have never been, looking at time. You are generous in your, sharing with me. So I really, really acknowledge you. Did you get my acknowledgement, Geetanjali?
Got it.
Thank you. We are 10:16, guys. Practice acknowledgement. I acknowledge you for 1, 2, 3, 4. No story, nothing. तुमने परसों ऐसे किया था, नरसों ऐसे किया था, नहीं. Just acknowledge and पूछिए, did you get my acknowledgement? And when the person says, yes, I got your acknowledgement, you can acknowledge them for more. So that is number 1. Second, acknowledge from future. And lastly, guys, we can also ask people. I'm going to take 1 more minute. I really want to do this. Is it okay, guys? Do you give me 2 minutes extra? We are at 10:16, so 3 minutes total. Yeah. Thank you. So Vikas, I'm getting you here on the spotlight. Yeah. So Vikas, tell me 5 things that you want me to acknowledge you for. This is interesting. So this is all demonstration for you so that you can see how acknowledgement happens. आप मुझे बताइए कौन से 5 चीजों के लिए मैं आपको acknowledge करूं?
For my discipline, okay, for being consistent,
Okay.
being knowledgeable,
Okay.
and for being honest.
Okay, perfect. So मैं थोड़ा सा करके बताती हूँ. तो ऐसे मैंने already विकास को पूछा. अब मैं बोलूंगी, विकास, I acknowledge you for being consistent in all that you do, and you are an inspiration for this. Okay, I take inspiration from you. I really, really acknowledge you for being consistent in all your practices. Did you get my acknowledgement?
Yes.
I'm doing it faster. Thoda fast ho raha hai. Yes. And because I acknowledge you for being so honest and really being, this like this in all areas of your life, in your career, in your relationship, in your friendship. So I really, really acknowledge you for your honesty, Vikas. Did you get my acknowledgement?
Got it, Darshana. Thank you so much.
Perfect. And because I acknowledge you for being so up to date with your information, being so committed towards your reading, and really keeping yourself updated, and you're so knowledgeable. So I acknowledge you for that. Did you get my acknowledgement?
I got it. Thank you so much.
5 में से 3 ही चीजें के लिए किया है. 3 मिनट हो गए हैं. So thank you, guys. This is how we acknowledge the 3 areas. Number 1, acknowledge for what they are right now. Acknowledge them from future and ask them, what can I acknowledge you for? सुपर लीडर्स, आप लोगों के लिए असाइनमेंट है, सब लोग अरुण को एक्नॉलेज करो, उसको पूछ के एक्नॉलेज करो. Did you get that, guys? Okay, thank you. Acknowledge yourself. मिरर में देख के अपने आप को एक्नॉलेज करो. Sorry, somebody was saying something.
I said amazing.
Okay, thank you. And I end the meeting. I declare the leadership training complete. Do your assignments and post it in the group. GK, that's your territory. Okay, see that they're posting in the group. I'll share the recording soon. Thank you so much. God bless you. Take care. Stay awesome.